Comparison of Ecoslider greenhouse. We are proud to say that typical installation time for our hobby greenhouse is 4 to 6 hours. Typical installation time for inexpensive greenhouse 3 to 4 days. Doors and windows are locked by the wire. In the open state, doors held by the hook. We came up with the different solution. We make stormproof doors, and high-quality door handle gives the right balance between classical and modern look. We use rustproof window lock. Magnetic door holder enhances the look and functionality of the greenhouse. Typically inexpensive greenhouse has no base frame and trusses have to be buried into the ground. Our greenhouse have galvanized steel base frame made with high zinc content. Our trusses are easy to assemble and have weaving for reinforcements, which is our unique patented technology. 66 centimeters between trusses to enhance resistance to heavy loads. On inexpensive greenhouse, polycarbonate is cut by the client and installed on top of the profiles of the wall ends. Ecoslider greenhouse is made with quality in mind using closed profile patented technology. This guarantees resistance to stormy winds. We simplified the process of installation, therefore, our client would get factory pre-assembled wall ends and doors. Finally, polycarbonate is not in contact with the ground and protected by anti-dust tape and U-profile.